राज्य सरकार की असम के पर्यटक वाहनों के मेघालय में प्रवेश पर प्रतिबंध लगाने की कोई योजना नहीं है। गुरुवार को पत्रकारों से बात करते हुए लिंगदोह ने कहा कि मेघालय से भी पर्यटक असम का दौरा कर रहे हैं और जहां तक मेघालय में प्रवेश करने वाले पर्यटक वाहनों के प्रवेश का सवाल है, सरकार संतुलन बनाए रखना चाहती है। उन्होंने कहा कि इस मुद्दे पर आगे चर्चा के लिए सभी हितधारकों के साथ एक बैठक बुलाई जाएगी। पिछले हफ्ते ऑल खासी मेघालय टूरिस्ट टैक्सी एसोसिएशन चाहता था कि राज्य सरकार असम से पर्यटक वाहनों पर प्रतिबंध लगाए।
See, at
हालांकि
this point
असम
of
टूरिस्ट
time,
कैब
we
ऑपरेटर्स
are
यूनियन ने
only
इसकी
listening
आलोचना की।
to and trying to address issues raised by Meghalaya tourists uh, and those who are in the transport business. But if the need arises, yeah, we will also involve the tour operators and taxi drivers from Assam as well.
There is no question of banning or restricting Assam with.
There is no such question. You have to keep in mind that these transporters also have what is known as national permits, either national permits or permits of at least 3 states. So there are legal issues involved as well. But what I'm saying is that rather than focusing on just the problems being raised, we will also have to look at solutions. For instance, as I was mentioning, even our demand, because this is a demand driven economy, and you can't close all doors when especially even the demand, our own operators are not able to meet up with the demand for accommodation and also transport facilities to the various tourist destinations. As I quoted, the number of footfalls has increased, whereas the number of vehicles has more or less remained stagnant. We will also have to address this from the tourism department. We have just introduced the prime vehicles, but we will certainly have to increase the fleet of vehicles.
Sir, you were mentioning something